Hi guys, Ancient Warrior. Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Guys, I think you're underestimating that woman. I think you're looking at her as being a dumb little kid, and she is a master manipulator. You know, most of the men in her district just looks at her butt. And she's very pleasing to the eye. But it was pointed out to me yesterday, and after I did some reading, I realized everything she's saying is coming directly from Stalin's playbook. $70, 80% tax on the rich. Huh. I have news for you. It won't be just the rich getting hit that way. No more billionaires. You'll be lucky if there's a middle class if she gets to implement what she wants. You know, again, it all takes me to the Orwell's 1984. Also takes me to V for Vengeance. That little dystopian novel that came out back 3 or 4 years, 5 years ago, with Natalie Portman in it. Guys, you're underestimating her. Quit doing that. That is a flaw from our side. That's a strength from theirs. We look at them and we see what they want us to see, not what we should see. So with that being said, please don't underestimate this woman. She's dangerous. And she wants to take America down. She wants America to be like Venezuela, Argentina, you name the country, Laos, Cambodia, China. They want to live with the government being supreme. So, with that being said, guys, have a blessed day. Have a great day. If you're prepping, you live in free America. If you're not, you better start. The bottom is about to fall out.